Hi guys, welcome back. Just wanted to give you an update on the Ridgid Wet vac. Got it for Christmas. Haven't really used it much. Decided to use it on my car. Future reference, I think I'll buy the car accessories. But yeah, this is big. Got a good deal on it. By the time you guys go out and get one, you won't get the same deal. So we're going to open up the car, see what the wet vac can do for us. Hang tight. Look, folks, if you can walk and chew gum at the same time, you won't have a problem with this. More than likely, you have a vacuum cleaner at home. Same concept, really is. Not difficult at all. I'm sure contractors love it, but if you're a homeowner, you should pick one up too. You never know. I'll leave it in the garage and use it to clean out my car. Hold on, guys. I want you to hear this for yourself. I think it has great power, picks up extremely well. Bulky, but you decide where you want to store it. Again, you won't get it for the same price I got it. I'll keep it in that corner. Hey, there's the brute. How you doing, man? Looks like you got a roommate. You're not alone anymore. Anyway, yeah, pick one up. Think you could use it. Contractors, I know you guys will love it. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah. Just wrapping the cord, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hey, why don't you subscribe? Go ahead. We don't judge over here. Take care. Bye.